This is a short lesson in neuroscience. This is your brain. Well, actually it's an app on my iPad called the 3D Brain. Very inexpensive. That's my finger manipulating it around. What we're going to talk about is the limbic system hijack. That's when your brain cannot think rationally any longer. You're just in fight or flight mode. So first we have to talk about the prefrontal cortex. That's the purple part of the front of the brain. That's the part of the brain that's responsible for decision making, considering future consequences of decisions, moral judgments, goal setting, short-term memory, solving interpersonal problems, and effective communication. In short, it's the part of the brain we need to use when we're negotiating, and we need our clients to be able to use. Now, the limbic system. The limbic system is the part more in the middle of the brain, and it's responsible for long-term memory, emotions, fear, and self-protection. When the limbic system is triggered, you go into a fight, flight, or play dead mode. And what it does is it disengages the prefrontal cortex. So here's your brain. Here's a way to explain it to your clients. Here's your brain again. The fingers are the prefrontal cortex. That's the thinking rational part of the brain. And the thumb, well, that's the limbic system. That's where when it's triggered, you go into fight or flight mode. So when things are going well, everything's nice and cozy. But when the limbic system is triggered, the prefrontal cortex just becomes totally disengaged and no longer functions. That's when you are just in fight or flight mode. So what we need to do is try to calm that prefrontal cortex so we can be rational again.